Hi, my name is Max and this is my channel about scootering. But today I'm gonna show you 3 basic tricks on BMX. All basic tricks on BMX are about spinning the bar. But before we start, you have to do 3 things. At first, you have to remove handle brakes. With them, it is harder to spin the bar. Next, you have to cut the bar to make sure that it's comfortable for you to spin it. And finally, you have to learn how to stop without brakes. To do it, you have to put your front foot here. This should block your rear wheel and you will stop. Now you are ready to learn your first trick. It's called X-Ride. In this trick, you have to turn your bar 180 degrees and ride in this not comfortable position. And then you have to turn it back. To turn your bar, you have to pull your front wheel up in the air and then you have to spin your bar. If your front foot is right, you have to spin the bar with the right hand. If your front foot is left, you have to spin the bar with the left hand. Then you turn your bar back. Don't forget to pull your front wheel up in the air as well. The second trick is chicken bar. Chicken bar is absolutely the same trick like X-Ride, but you should spin the bar 360 degrees. There is one little hack for this trick. You can put your back leg on the rear wheel axle, and this is way easier to do this trick. Like this. Wait. Okay, wait now. When you get your chicken bars done, you can try to do bar spin. Bar spin is like chicken bar but with both wheels in the air. It's better to learn it on fly out or resi if you have it. I would like to thank Flybikes for my first BMX. It's the best bike for the kids of my age. Thank you.